This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You will start the backup now. Check iOS and ensure you have enough iCloud space so uploads won't fail. Connect to a reliable Wi-Fi network and plug the phone into power so the process won't pause. Then open Settings, tap your name, go to iCloud, select Photos and turn on iCloud Photos. This immediately cues your gallery for upload. Make sure Optimize iPhone storage or download, and Keep Originals is chosen according to your storage goals. Once the initial upload begins, watch progress within the Photos app and the iCloud backup status to confirm files transfer. If you need alternatives, back up to a Mac or PC using Finder or iTunes for an encrypted local copy, or use a trusted third-party cloud app. Just ensure encryption settings are enabled. Make sure to disable cellular uploads to prevent data charges and favor overnight Wi-Fi syncing for large libraries. You finish by verifying the backup. Open iCloud. Or another synced device and confirm albums and recent photos are present. Then run a manual iCloud backup or export essential images to a local drive for redundancy. If something goes wrong, sign out of iCloud and sign back in, reboot the iPhone, and recheck available storage and network quality. These steps resolve most sync conflicts. Finally, make a habit of scheduled checks to ensure your gallery remains safely backed up.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.